This answer is totally wrong, fellas. Don't fall into this trap, since there is one answer for this question. Okay, so since there is one option for this question, so don't fall into this trap. Okay, so this is not the answer, this is wrong. So here, if you have noticed here, since to make a phenol we need to introduce hydroxyl group to the benzene ring. When we introduce hydroxyl group to the benzene ring, we need to remove one hydrogen. Okay, so phenol has one hydrogen less than the benzene ring, so this goes same with this one. When we introduce the aliphatic chain to this particular carbon atom, one hydrogen would also be removed, would have to be removed. Okay, so to introduce a aliphatic chain to this carbon atom, this hydrogen should have to be removed. Okay, so this carbon would also don't have any hydrogen atoms. Okay, so this particular carbon over here have no hydrogen atoms. Okay, so this carbon atom have no hydrogen atom. Okay, so we also need to decrease one hydrogen from the phenol, that is C6H4OH. Then we need to introduce the aliphatic chain, that is C3H5. That's how it should work. Okay, so the actual answer lies over here. So here we need to remove one hydrogen from phenol in order to introduce the aliphatic chain. Since we are introducing the aliphatic chain to this carbon atom, so one hydrogen atom should have to be removed. Okay, all right, OH. So this is the formula for phenol. So here we need to remove one hydrogen atom. So as you can see here, most of the students fail into this trap. Don't fail into this trap. Okay, even I also get confused over here. So most of the student can lose this mark easily. So here we need to remove one hydrogen from this phenol group, then we are able to introduce the aliphatic chain, that is C3H5, and this is how we gonna arrive to the correct answer. Here we have total number of 9 carbon atoms, so C9, 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 1 10, that is H10O. So this is how we gonna solve this question. So here the correct answer is C9H10O. Okay fellas, so this is the correct answer to this question. So the correct answer would be B, not C. B would be the correct answer. Okay, so here what we have noticed over here, that when we introduce an aliphatic side chain to this particular carbon atom, there would be no hydrogen atom over here. Okay, so this particular compound will have one hydrogen less than this phenol. Okay, so as you can see over here, this benzene ring has one hydrogen more than this phenol, and this phenol have one more hydrogen than this compound. Okay, so since we are introducing new group to each compound, we are introducing benzene to the we are introducing OH group to this compound, so one hydrogen should have to be removed. to form phenol. Okay, in the same case, if we have noticed, we can see that if we introduce another aliphatic chain to this phenol, one hydrogen should have to be removed in order to get an empty slot. Okay, in order to get an empty slot for bonding, one hydrogen should have to be removed, or no hydrogen atom should be there on this particular atom. So no hydrogen atom should be there on this particular hydrogen atom. Okay fellas, so fellas, the answer should be B, not C. C is the wrong answer. Okay, C shouldn't be the answer, B is the answer. So the correct answer for this question is B. Okay, the correct